Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Blanca with Creativities Galore, and today I am going to show you how to make this Halloween pumpkin bookmark. Let's get started. I'm going to start by putting down this easy cut adhesive from Therm-O-Web onto my Cricut Joy mat. I only cut out the amount that I needed. I actually used like a scrap piece that I had, and then I connected my Cricut Joy. And I ended up using the glitter cardstock setting. That's the setting that helped cut through the adhesive. Now I'm just going to load the mat and let the Cricut Joy do its thing. Now I'm just going to unload it and begin taking off the little pumpkins. And you have to be careful since this is double-sided adhesive. Make sure that the whole thing comes out. You don't just peel off the sticky. Now I'm going to take a piece of laminate sheet that I cut down into this strip. And I'm going to put the little pumpkins down. I first take off the back piece. Like I said, they're double-sided. There's like double-sided tape. So first you have to take off the back paper, place it down where you need it. Then I use my brayer to make sure they were stuck on perfect. And now I'll start taking off the top paper. After I take off all the top paper pieces, I'm going to take my Therm-O-Web foil. This is from the Laura Kelly Designs line. And again, I use my brayer to make sure that it attaches good to the adhesive. And I also take my Cricut scraper just to give it a little bit more of help. Now I just peel off the foil. Cute and shiny those look. Now I'm going to take some black glitter and just start putting it all over the inside right there. And I'm going to take a brush and take it off the pumpkins. I just want it around them. And then I'm going to close the laminate sheet. Then I'm going to take that over to my laminating machine and just run it through. Now I'm just going to take my paper trimmer and trim down the sides as well as top and bottom. Then I'm going to take a hole punch. Punch a hole at the top, and then I'm going to take some ribbon, run that through there, and that's it. Here is a Halloween pumpkin bookmark. I love how the laminate sheet makes it look. I think it's so cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this craft. Make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps out my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next crafting video. Happy crafting!